Hello guys, today we're going to see a random productive evening vlog. Even I don't know how productive this is actually going to be. Today I have a lot of homework to do, so I need to study all of that. So I had ordered some products from Blinkit. I bought bread, coffee powder, Nutella, brownies, and a few other things as well. Then for snacks, I took the French fries that had been lying in the fridge at home for a long time, sprinkled plenty of peri peri masala on them, fried them well, gave them a good shake, and kept them ready for myself because I really love peri peri French fries like this. Comment below if you like them too. For the coffee, it's just the usual method. But what I do is I pour a little hot water, mix it, and then add some milk to that mixture. That's how I make it. So that's the way I like to make my coffee. So I find myself at a pivotal moment, reflecting on the journey that has led me to this very point in time. The path has been winding, filled with unexpected turns and profound discoveries, each contributing to the intricate tapestry of my experiences. I've encountered numerous challenges that tested my resolve, pushing the boundaries of my capabilities and forcing me to adapt and grow in ways I hadn't anticipated. As I stand here contemplating the future, I am filled with a sense of purpose and an eagerness to embark on the next chapter, applying all that I have learned to new endeavors and continuing to evolve. This introspection is not merely a look back, but a foundational step for what lies ahead, ensuring that every decision is informed by a deep understanding of past lessons and future aspirations. The complexity of this journey, with its myriad details and subtle nuances, truly underscores the depth of my personal and professional development. So for dinner, my mom had made either chapati or paneer butter masala. That's my favorite combination. A few days ago, I saw a pack like this Pringles dress call mode, something like that. And finally, I got it. I really liked it a lot. So when I opened this and unboxed it, I was super excited. We can use this as a sling too. Even without the sling, we can use it normally. It will be really awesome. So I just dumped some random stuff into this. So how does it work out? I mentioned how many products it can hold. After that, I got the bread and everything ready, and then I went to sleep.